Hi all, Todd here, and I'm back in Archdale, North Carolina at Collectors Confluence. Yeah, my friend Cameron has this place just filled with vintage toys, and he gets amazing collections in. He also has amazing video games that are very rare, so maybe we'll see some of that as well. But yeah, this store is slam-packed. It's our second visit. Want to come see some updates and see what's going on here at Collectors Confluence. Let's go. And here is the entryway. I love his logo on the window right here. And then here are his times. Got a loud truck going by, but there you go. All right, let's go inside. Yeah, right when you walk in and check out Godzilla. Yeah, Gray Skull, Castle Gray Skull there. And he's getting all kinds of new stuff in all the time. New old stuff. Turtles. Look at all these turtles. Right here in the showcase. Then you got a cool Pokemon. You get your cards and stuff out of here. This is neat. And stickers. I love this Muscle Man poster right here. Collect them all. And he's got them here. That's cool, Godzilla. Then over here you have your Toy Biz toys. All along here, some McFarlane mixed in. You're gonna see like Galoob and Toy Biz, Mattel, Hasbro, Marks, all mixed in. And up here, you check out the top shelves. That's not a shelf, that's a bin. But down here, a lot of Toy Biz. Look at the Evil Evil. I think that's the reproduction. Yeah, that's the re-release right there. But Godzilla's, I just love his Toy Biz collection. You go up here, and then you got the classified collection, G.I. Joe, all here. And he has them categorized great. Really good prices too. So anywhere from 30 down to 20. So, and then you go over here, a lot of great miscellaneous. Look at the monsters up here. Nice. Like that Aussie. $40 for that. Macho. This is cool. Look at this from Commando. I think it's a, I think it might, is it a knockoff? I think it is. Yeah, because knockoffs are actually doing a lot better and more collectible than a lot of the original stuff. You had your Ben Coopers. Nice. These are the alien ones here. And again, you're going to have the Galoob, Mattel, Hasbro, Toy Biz, McFarlane all mixed together. And then you go over here to the He-Man, Master of the Universe Motu. Check it out. You're going to find cool stuff like that. He's got Lucy's. He's still going through collections. Check this out, Millennium Falcon. Still in the box. Also Grayskull, Castle Grayskull, still in the box. And we'll go over here, and you go to your Star Wars Black Series, and then your Transformers at the bottom here. And then you go over here to the 3/4 scale. You get the smaller Star Wars figures. Check this out. It's got a flag in here with all the different G.I. Joe aircrafts on it. This is cool. And they are individually priced. Got the smaller ones underneath. Then you go over here to the G.I. Joe showcase with all the figures. Got some nice ones. And most of these, I think all of them, if not all of them, are complete with their accessories. So, yeah, look at that. Hopefully you can see the shadow in here. Man, he's got some great stuff. Then he has inbox up here. Look at that. Gotta walk across here. But I'm going to show you some other stuff and all these showcases. Look at all this. Pretty amazing. And then, check it out. The Silverhawks right there. Really good prices too, guys. Transformers. Got the G1s, G2s, all the GGs. Got the classic Kenner Star Wars figures right here. A little mixture of figures and toys through here. And check out the bottom here. All the Brave Stars. Got the village too, the old western town. He's got him completed here, 120. But he's got all the Brave Star stuff. Love the gel. That's cool. And then over here, Centurions. All the Centurion stuff. Street Sharks. Nice. All kinds of Ninja Turtles. Yeah, big selection of Ninja Turtles. And we'll go up to Motu. Some of the newer Motu. And as you go up, he's got the older original stuff. Castle Grayskull. And then Snake Mountain. Over here. Over here, get the Hasbro. And this is amazing. Yeah, look at all this. Got masks too. Some of the DC figures. And down here you got the Ghostbusters, Star Trek, Strawberry Shortcake figures. Oops, smacking it. Just got a nice collection down here. Sectars. Yeah, Planet of the Apes cup. That's cool. But man, he's got so much to go through, and he's getting stuff all the time. He's got Chips figures, Star Trek figures, A-Team, and villains. It's also got Shoguns. He's got some of the statues too, which I really like. But check out Hogan. That's cool. And I like that he has the Space 1999 Eagle. I have mine. I'm still getting them together, but he's got everything on this Eagle right here. And it's pretty cool scale too. I love the Eagle ship from Space 1999. And again, he does have Shogun Warriors, Voltron. He's got the Inhumanoids right here. It's very cool. He's got some of the Foo Fighters. And he's got the Hall of Justice still in the box. Death Star. Kind of miscellaneous here with a Voltron. The Commander Adama here. Still in this package. Dagobah here. He does have comic books. Not a ton, but he does have comics. And again, they're getting tons of collections in all the time. So correction, he does have a bunch of comics in now. Because last time I was here, it's been a while when they first opened. So he's getting more collections in of comic books as well. And check out this A-Team van. It's also got the Princess Leia cookie jar and Chewbacca. So I do like this little 3-set here of Tron. That's pretty cool. That's a nice one right there too. It's a Build-A-Figure. I actually have that Frankenstein Build-A-Figure. Yeah, Collectors Confluence is an amazing store. Be sure to stop by. It's literally right off the highway at 85 here. But I'll have all that information in the description. And these guys are amazing. They are always getting stuff in. Always something. They show me the back room. I go, holy moly. So yeah, there's gonna be a bunch of great stuff coming out really soon. All right guys, we'll see you soon. Please subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Let's get this channel growing and having a lot more great content. All right guys, you take care and stay cool.